Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling the Form W-2, something that affects millions of Americans every year. Whether you're an employer who needs to issue W-2s or an employee who receives one, understanding this form is critical for proper tax filing. So, Form W-2, officially titled Wage and Tax Statement, is issued by employers to employees and to the IRS. It documents all wages paid to an employee during the year, federal, state, and other taxes withheld, contributions to retirement plans and benefits. This form is absolutely essential for employees to accurately file their personal tax returns, employers who are legally required to provide W-2s to all employees by January 31st, the IRS to verify income reported on tax returns. Errors or delays with W-2s can result in delayed tax refunds, incorrect tax filings, or even penalties, which is why getting them right is so important. Looking at a W-2, you'll notice it has multiple copies labeled A through D, plus additional copies. Each serves a specific purpose. Copy A, red version, submitted to the Social Security Administration. Copy 1 goes to state local tax departments, copies B, C, D, and 2 for employees and their records. Let's focus on the form itself. At the top, we have boxes AF, Employer and Employee Identification Information. This includes the employer's EIN, which is critical for proper tax filing. The employee's Social Security number must be correct, or it can cause major filing issues. Complete name and address information ensures proper routing. The most common error here? Outdated addresses. If you've moved during the tax year, verify this information immediately. Now for the boxes that cause the most confusion. Box 1 shows your taxable wages, but this isn't necessarily your total compensation. It excludes certain pre-tax deductions like 401k contributions and health insurance premiums. Boxes 2, 4, and 6 show federal income tax, Social Security tax, and Medicare tax withheld. These are crucial for determining if you'll receive a refund or owe additional taxes. Boxes 3 and 5 show wages subject to Social Security and Medicare taxes. The difference between these boxes and Box 1 often confuses people. Box 12 is used to report various types of compensation, such as elective deferrals or employer-sponsored health plans, using specific codes. If your business uses more than 4 codes, you'll need to issue an additional form with only the basic identification and Box 12 information. Box 13 has checkboxes for statutory employee status, retirement plan participation, and third-party sick pay. These affect how you'll file your taxes. Box 14 is for miscellaneous information that doesn't fit elsewhere, often including state disability insurance or union dues. Boxes 15 to 20 cover state and local tax information, which you'll need for your state tax return. The most common W-2 headaches include missing W-2s. If you haven't received yours by February 15th, contact your employer immediately. If they can't provide it, contact the IRS for assistance. Incorrect information. If you spot errors, request a corrected W-2 Form W-2C from your employer right away. Multiple W-2s. If you worked for different employers or changed jobs, you'll receive multiple W-2s and need to report all of them on your tax return. Complex situations. If you have allocated tips, dependent care benefits, or equity compensation, these specialized sections require careful attention. So, yes, the process can seem overwhelming, and this is where Instafill becomes invaluable. This AI PDF form filler automates the process and eliminates manual data entry by extracting and populating information in your W-2 forms. It supports batch processing and profile management, which is especially helpful for businesses managing multiple forms. I'll show you how to fill out Form W-2 in batch with Instafill in our next video. To get started, you can either upload your W-2 PDF directly or go to Instafill.ai/catalog to find this form in Instafill's catalog of popular government forms with fine-tuned AI models. Alternatively, simply type w2.instafill.ai in your browser to access the latest 2025 version of this form. You'll also find plenty of helpful information about Form W-2 on this page. When you're ready to proceed, just click the Fill Out Form button. On the next screen, upload the information needed to complete the form. Instafill uses the most advanced reasoning AI models to automatically extract data from various sources such as images, text documents, partially filled PDFs or CSV files, and populates each field with speed and precision. You can attach almost any file containing the required information. You can also provide specific instructions to guide the AI in recognizing particular fields and formats. This feature increases accuracy and efficiency, ensuring your form is completed exactly to your requirements. Once done, just review the filled form and download your completed PDF. Instead of manually typing dozens of numbers and codes, risking typos that could trigger audits or delay refunds, Instafill ensures accuracy and saves you valuable time. Okay, in summary, understanding your W-2 isn't just about compliance. It's about making sure you receive every credit and deduction you're entitled to while avoiding costly mistakes. Visit Instafill today to see how it can help automate your tax document experience from frustration to simplicity. Whether you're an individual with a single W-2 or managing documents for your entire family, this AI solution ensures accuracy, security, and peace of mind. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide useful, please subscribe for more videos that simplify your financial paperwork.